Hey, Taffy.
I know there's two people now. Oh, you like her more, I know that.
Are you excited? Yeah? Are you ready for your adjustment? Yeah? It's your turn. Here you go.
There she is. Are you ready?
Are you ready? Yeah? Are you going to get an adjustment? Yeah? Yeah? Are you going to feel good? What do you think? Yeah? Hi.
All right, silly girl. Come on.
Okay, let's get you adjusted.
Here we go.
Oh.
Let's go.